Most hotels today are still making pricing decisions based on static reports and limited visibility into real demand. That approach might have worked 5 years ago, but markets move too fast now, and small missteps can cost real revenue. Hi, I'm Allison from HotelTechReport.com, where we help hoteliers like you future-proof your operations by finding the best tech tools to run and grow your business. In this video, we're taking a detailed look at Lighthouse, the commercial platform used by more than 70,000 hotels worldwide. It's designed to give you revenue, sales, and marketing teams a clearer picture of market demand, competitor pricing, and internal performance, all in real time. You'll see a walkthrough of the key workflows and features that operators rely on the most, what we found from analyzing 1,000 and more verified hotelier reviews and expert interviews, a case study of how a global hotel group uses the platform day to day, and finally, how to tell if Lighthouse is the right fit for your hotel. If you're evaluating BI or rate shopping tools, or just want to streamline your commercial decision making, this review will help you cut through the noise. We just saw how Lighthouse ties together pricing, market data, and performance intelligence in a single platform. At the core, it's built around 5 key modules: Rate Insight for real-time comp set pricing, Market Insight for forward-looking demand signals, BI for performance tracking and custom reporting, Benchmark for internal and competitive comparisons, and Distribute to monitor OTA visibility and parity. All 5 modules are designed to work together, connecting your PMS, OTA channels, and internal data into a single source of truth for your revenue and commercial strategy. Now, let's take a look at how those modules work in practice. Starting with the workflows hotel teams rely on every day to monitor performance, adjust rates, and stay ahead of shifting demand. The daily performance view is where most revenue teams start their day. It surfaces pickup trends, forecast variance, and pacing, so you can quickly assess whether the property is on track or if something needs immediate attention. No waiting on Excel reports or end-of-day roll-ups, just fast, decision-ready data in one view. From there, Rate Insight lets teams benchmark pricing against the comp set in real time, segmented by room type, channel, and rate plan. It also shows rate evolution over time and includes parity views across OTAs and mobile channels. This becomes the backbone of pricing strategy, especially for hotels in competitive urban markets where rate shifts can happen multiple times a day. You'll see how one global hotel brand uses this across 30-plus properties later in the video. Market Insight takes things a step further, combining live hotel and flight search data with local event signals. Instead of reacting to pickup, this gives you a forward-looking window into where demand is building, days or even weeks before it shows up in the PMS. That gives you time to get ahead of the market, adjust rates, or activate promotions before your competitors even see the spike. Smart comp sets help you track who you're really competing with, not just who you choose in your STR report 5 years ago. Lighthouse uses actual guest search behavior to identify the hotels your potential guests are comparing to you in real time. It's a simple way to reveal blind spots and spot emerging threats you might not have been tracking. For commercial teams managing marketing or group sales, Market Insights also breaks down demand by geography, so you can see exactly which feeder markets are generating interest. If inbound searches from Frankfurt or Dubai are heating up, you'll know where to focus digital spend or sales outreach, instead of running broad campaigns that waste budget. Distribute tracks how your property ranks on key OTA channels like Booking.com, Expedia, and TripAdvisor. If your listing is buried on page 2, or worse, this is where you'll find out why, whether it's a rate discrepancy, low availability, or outdated content that's affecting your visibility. The Parity and Policy Tracker flags issues across third-party channels like undercut rates, inconsistent cancellation terms, or mobile discounts that eat into profit. It brings pricing integrity back under control and helps protect conversion, especially when guests are shopping across multiple devices and channels. BI's Smart Summaries uses AI to automatically generate daily performance briefs across all properties: pickup, variance, pacing, delivered straight to decision makers. It's a massive time saver for portfolio teams who need to stay aligned without getting buried in spreadsheets or waiting on daily stand-ups. And when we talk about ROI later, you'll see why this feature alone can make a difference for multi-property groups. Finally, BI's custom reporting gives operators the flexibility to create portfolio-level dashboards regardless of PMS or brand. Whether you're rolling a performance for ownership, benchmarking across regions, or standardizing reporting across teams, it's all housed in one place and fully customizable. Here's what this looks like in practice. Lotte Hotels and Resorts runs more than 30 luxury properties across 7 countries. When you're operating at that scale, pricing decisions can't be based on static reports and manual checks. What they need was visibility and speed across the portfolio, and that's where Lighthouse delivered. Rate Insight gave their local teams real-time clarity on market positioning, while Market Insight helped them detect demand patterns before they showed up in PMS reports. With Lighthouse, they streamlined strategy meetings, responded faster to shifts in demand, and rolled out pricing decisions with more confidence. At a group level, Lighthouse became the connective layer that keeps teams aligned, efficient, and one step ahead of the market. It's one thing to see how the product works at a portfolio level like Lotte, but there's nothing more valuable than hearing from real users across all hotel types. That's why we analyze survey data from over 1,000 hoteliers to understand what they love and where Lighthouse stands out. The user interface is consistently praised for its clarity and ease of use. Operators say that their dashboards are clean, fast, and easy for both new hires and seasoned revenue managers to navigate. When it comes to core functionality, features like rate evolution tracking, forward-looking demand data, and parity benchmarking are clear winners. They save time, reduce errors, and give teams confidence in their pricing strategy. Value for money is strongest among multi-property groups in high-volume hotels who see clear ROI through revenue gains and operational efficiency. Integrations get high marks, especially for syncing PMS and OTA data into a unified view, though a few users noted occasional delays with OTB feeds. And on support, Lighthouse recently earned HotelTechReport's Level 3 Global Support certification, and users back that up. Support is described as fast, knowledgeable, and invested in helping teams succeed, not just resolve tickets. Okay, so that's what real hoteliers are saying about Lighthouse, but is it right for you? If you're running a hotel or a group that relies on fast, high-confidence pricing decisions, and you're tired of fragmented tools and reactive strategy, Lighthouse is built to help you shift into a more proactive, connective workflow. It's especially valuable for city center properties, portfolios, and markets with fluctuating demand. If you're using separate tools for rate shopping, performance reporting, and market forecasting, Lighthouse can consolidate that into one source of truth. As for pricing, it's modular, so you only pay for the tools you need. Most customers consider it a mid to premium investment with a strong ROI, especially when it helps protect rate integrity and capture high-yield demand. To get exact pricing for property, just visit Lighthouse profile on HotelTechReport and click Request Pricing. We'll help you get a tailored quote and verify integrations with your current stack. Thanks for watching. Today, you got a real-world look at how Lighthouse helps hotel teams make faster, smarter pricing decisions using live market data, competitor tracking, and forward-looking demand signals. To explore Lighthouse further, head over to Hotel Tech Report to read verified reviews, check for PMS and CRM integrations, and request a custom quote. We're here to help you find the right tools to grow your business, backed by insights from thousands of hoteliers who've been in your shoes. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.